Hey guys, Sean6 here. So I had a request to do the trigger group disassembly on a T97, so I'm going to attempt to do this one-handed, just show it real quick. So obviously it is clear and safe. Alright, if you want to take the trigger group out, you'll have to undo both sets of pins, so this one pops right out. You can take the lower off, I'll do that in a second. This back one, back will pop off a bit. So you can take the cover off, through your linear hammer, spring. We can take the lower off. Now this right here is your trigger bar. That attaches, and take this off entirely. That attaches in here to your trigger group. So if you look right in here, this spring detent, that's what's holding your factory safety in. So push that down and you can push your safety out. So that'll come out. And then this whole unit will slide out the back. If you look down here while you're doing it, it's pulling that out. So you can just slide it out the back, unhook it from here, and then if you want, you can slide that rod out. So you'll have your trigger pack and your rod. That's your whole trigger mechanism. If you really wanted to take this apart, which I'm not sure why you would really, there's just 2 pins. These are just friction pins here, so you can push both of those out. But if you're doing that, be careful, your springs will go flying. Make sure you know how to put it back together at that point. Any other questions? Let me know. To put it back together, do what we just did in reverse, but there's a little slot up in here that slides into. Make sure this is facing downwards. That latches onto your trigger and your lower. Over here, this pin goes in that hole, and the whole thing slides forward. Got to make sure your pin is out of the way, and that'll just slide in. Right here is where your safety goes through, so you can see that spring-loaded detent from inside. Like this, put it through the hole. Get that back in there. So now you have your factory safety back. And the rest is normal assembly.